Hello everyone. In this video I will teach you chapter first of class first. The name of the chapter is Shapes and Spaces. The topic we will cover is top, bottom, on, under, above, below. In previous video I have discussed about nearer, farther, nearest, farthest. If you want to see the other videos of this chapter, you can see the playlist that will be visible at the end of this video. Firstly, we are going to start the concept of top and bottom. We will understand here the meaning of top and bottom. Here in this image we can see that there is a flag and the bird is sitting on the flag. The cat is sitting at the lower point of this flag. So bird is called that the bird is at the top of the flag and cat is at the bottom of the flag. Now with this diagram we will try to understand this clearly. In this diagram we can see that there are two monkeys. One monkey is here and one monkey is here. So this monkey is called that it is at the top of the tree and that monkey is at the bottom of the tree. Now this diagram is having a question for you. Which ball is on the top shelf? I am giving you 10 seconds. Reply as fast as you can. Your countdown starts. So do fast, think and reply correct answer. Yeah, time over. Now the correct answer is this. This is at the top of the shelf.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now we will start the concept of on, under. So firstly we will understand that what is the meaning of on and what is the meaning of under. So we will understand this by the given diagram. When an object is kept at the top of another object, so first object is said that it is on the second object. As here in the diagram we can see that the ball is kept on the box. But in the second diagram, as we can see that the box is on the ball. But if in the sense of ball, we can say that the ball is under the box. Now we will understand this topic clearly with the help of this diagram. Here we can see that the peels of banana is kept under the foot of this boy, but the apple is kept on the table. And now with the help of this diagram, we will understand that how we can use the concept of on. In the first figure, we can see that the fish is kept on the box. In the second figure, the idol is kept on the box. And in the third figure, again we can see that the idol is kept on the box. Now we will understand the concept of under. In the first figure, we can see that the fish is kept under the box. In the second figure, the idol is kept under the table. And in the third figure, again we can see that the idol is kept under the table.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now we will start the concept of above, below. We have understood the concept of top and on. But the concept of above is different from the top and on. Here, the object should not be in the contact according to which we are taking that the object is at above or the object is at below. In the figure we can see that the bird is flying in the sky, so we can say that the bird is above the tree, and the cat is sitting under the tree but it is not in the contact of the tree, so we can say that the cat is below the tree. Now see in this diagram, the cat is above the table and the dog is below the table. And in this diagram we can see that in first diagram the bird is below the books and in second diagram the bird is above the books. Now here the question is given, where is the aeroplane? In this diagram as we can see that the aeroplane is below the cloud. But in that diagram as we can see that the aeroplane is above the cloud. In this diagram I have some question for you. The first question is already done. As you can see in the first, diagram that where is the animal sitting? The answer is above. In the second, the question is that where is the animal sitting? So now reply. Yes, the answer is below. The animal is below. And in this diagram, where is the pyramid kept? Yes, it is below the table. And in the next diagram, where is the toy car kept? Yes, it is above the table. For this last diagram, I am giving you 10 seconds. Now you decide and tell me which is above and which is below. Your countdown start. Time up. Now in this diagram, this toys are below the table, and in this diagram, the bird is above the table. So thank you and bye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get latest videos first. Leave a comment and tell us your requirement. Like and share for support.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.